driving sound effects?
I am.
We're here, we're in Vegas, we just got the car rental. It's not a big deal, it's a Corolla, but we're gonna pretend it's a Lamborghini.
Hold on, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Right next to our erectile dysfunction ad.
I was literally just gonna say,
note.
there's another billboard over here that says, injured in a hotel, call the dream team. And it's like, who's out here getting injured in hotels?
That's very specific.
Hold on, we're gonna get on the freeway and I'm gonna punch this Oh, great.
Oh.
Red arrow.
Hey, don't we have a Total Wine, Spirits, Beer, and More?
Top floor, baby, top floor. At least in the Julius Tower.
Is it top floor?
Yeah.
It is.
Oh, dang. Oh, hey. How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome into our room at Caesar's Palace. I wanted to stop you right here and wanted to acknowledge this wonderful light fixture we have. It's immediate, right when you walk in the room, and it's pow, right in your face. I believe it's in every other room. So it's kind of common, but it's really nice. So over here, we can walk into our main living area. It's huge. And by that, I mean our bedroom. We have 2 queen beds with some nice yellow mustard stools right at the end there. I'm sure they're comfortable. Over there, we have an alarm clock. We have our phone. We have some beautiful paintings right here. I mean, they're probably like 1800 AD. That's my guesstimate. I don't know, but I'm sure they're worth a lot. Over here, we have our huge TV. Right below our TV, we have our mini bar. You do have to pay for all of this, and it is very, very expensive. But it's nice to have just in case late at night you're hungry and you don't want to venture out. And then below, we have our mini fridge. In our mini bar, we have all sorts of drinks. Beer, Red Bull, White Claw, whatever you desire. You do have to pay for that as well though. And I didn't even look at the price because it kind of scares me, so. Oh, over here, we have this desk. And this is where we write letters, notes. We pass them to each other. Oh, over here, we have little plugins for your phone, which is actually kind of cool. Not even being sarcastic, that's actually really cool instead of just a normal outlet. So I like that. And then over here, we have our huge window. We thought that we were gonna get actually a really horrible view, but it turned out that it wasn't actually that bad. So take a look. So after our desk area, we have this huge seat. Just to prove to you how huge it is, I'll sit in it, and I'm a pretty large guy. Oh man, it's actually really comfortable. Probably could fit like 1.5 here, which is pretty funny. So I'm gonna have a nice little table here. Over here we have the high roller. We like the high roller. The whole area in between the high roller is the promenade, and it's awesome. And if you follow my finger all the way over here, oh yeah, that's right, we have Paris. Paris is cool. And then the strips all along there, which is really nice. So last but not least, the bathroom. And it was actually right over here by the front door. So here's the bathroom. You walk in, dual vanities. which are actually really nice. And then right to the right is Derek.
It's massive!
And
Get in here.
Oh.
Plenty of room. I wash his back, he washes mine. Wash my back. Wash my back! Yeah, there we go. See it?
And then last but not least, the toilet. And that's pretty much about it for the bathroom. It's actually a really nice size in here.
I already used the toilet. One more thing. I want you to view this the way I viewed it when I was pooping earlier. Sit down in the toilet and then look at the mirror and see the picture behind you. It's just like looking down at you like, yeah.
He's like literally right there.
Yeah. That's just a really odd picture that they chose to put above a toilet. So I think it's done purposefully.
Yeah, I think so too. They could put it on any of this other wall space and it would have been totally fine, but right
Or just any other picture. Why does it have to be that one?
That too. So notice this, you ready? This is really weird of me to notice. So the shower is right here and the door opens this way. Your towel hanger is all the way over here.
Or right here.
Yeah, but like this is what this is meant for.
True.
It's meant to hold towels.
True.
But it's all the way over here. So you're gonna have to get your butt naked self out the shower and walk all the way over here, barefoot. You're gonna slip and you're gonna slide. And not in a fun way.
You're gonna slip and you're gonna slide.
You're gonna slip and you're gonna slide and not in a fun way.
Oh! It's like super zoomed in. I wasn't expecting that. Whoa! See it? Can you see it?
Hey, we can't yell because the last time someone yelled in a Vegas hotel, we had EMTs called us because they thought that someone was dying and that I was doing the killing. So, the room's not that bad. We got just a regular room. Obviously with everything going on, we just wanted to come to Vegas and check it out and see what they are doing to rebound back. So the safety procedures so far here at Caesar's Palace, everybody was wearing a mask. Staff, customers, everybody. At the front desk, they have a security guard standing there with the computer and he takes a temperature test on everybody who comes through and checks in. So I assume everybody who is staying here has taken a temperature test, which is good to know. They have hand sanitizer stations throughout the hotel, and then upon actually checking in with the front desk, they actually have little tongs that they take your card and stuff from you and then they lay it down specifically on an area. So the employee behind the counter actually never physically touches your cards, and then the pens that they give you to sign, they actually grab with the tongs, they hand it to you, and then when you are done, they actually put them in their own separate bucket once they have been used. So every single time someone comes up, it's a brand new pen every single time. Yeah, we're gonna venture out. We got a bunch of different plans, a bunch of different food things that we have in store for us. Guys.
On the Las Vegas Strip. Good cheap eats. We have one fancy dinner. We have a birthday dinner tomorrow that we're celebrating with our friends Mike and Emily. Shout out to Mike and Emily. They just got married. It's Emily's birthday. So we're gonna be kicking it with them because they're here at the same time that we are. We're pretty much just eating cheap the whole way except for our dinner tonight, which I'm really excited to show you guys. We actually got a call from Kabuto, quite possibly the most exclusive and top-ranked sushi restaurant in Vegas. Our reservation tonight is at 5:45. They only have 2 dinner services, one at 5:45 and one at 7:45, and we got the 5:45 one. The wait list to get into this restaurant is ridiculous. You have to reserve your table at least a month in advance or more. They book up pretty fast. It's pretty much you pay a flat rate and then the sushi chef, who is who is from Japan, trained in Japan. Like the caliber in which he prepares the food is going to be amazing, highly reputable. So we're bringing you guys with us. We're gonna walk around a little bit and we'll see you guys later.
Dude, this place is dope.
Yeah.
This place is so cool. It's so simple. But I just feel like it's just amazing.
So they actually give you a plastic baggie for you to put your mask in. They actually encourage their guests to go meal without the mask for the best experience. But the staff here, they've socially distanced on their tables. They're also wearing masks themselves. So we're a little nervous about it, but they're encouraging it, so we're just gonna do it.
It's gonna be a little hot. Okay.
Cheers. Derek, you look really excited.
Yeah. Well, I was really excited because like hot sake, because I don't have it often. It just warms you up.
It hits different.
It makes it like it's like a hug. It gives you a hug.
A warm taro hug, according to this guy.
on the inside. Nice hug, warm hug on the inside. Very unique, very refined in my opinion. It's different, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
We just got done with the grill, and that one, in my opinion, was by far the best. The sauce in it was just perfection. The scallops was amazing. Then next we had the salmon.
Yeah.
It was like a miso sauce, and I took a bite of it, and it was just so good that I ended up like the second half. It was just, oh my gosh, I can have a full plate of that and never get tired of it. Yeah, it's a pretty phenomenal for me. Next course we have nigiri.
So we have the omelet, the lean tuna right here, seared red sea perch, salmon roe, sea urchin, chinook, the black snapper, and then the otoro.
What I've been enjoying so far, the variety. When I personally order sushi, I wouldn't get as diverse of a selection. You get to try some things that maybe you have eaten before, but you also get to try new things. It's not like part of life, just trying new experiences, because how do you know if you like or even don't like something until you actually just go for it and try it?
Being able to watch the chefs like literally right there, preparing everything with such precision and such care, mind-blowing.
Why do you grab it like that?
It's a hand roll, like you grab it with your hand. Standout richness. It's like undeniably tasty.
That was the first thing that I thought of was smooth. Awesome.
And then tomorrow we have a full day. Okay, we don't really have a full day planned, but we have a full day of food planned. I'm really excited, so we'll show you guys what we're doing tomorrow.
On the next episode of Lost Ones, we visit Egg Slut.
I got yolk.
As well as an Italian market that was super sick with awesome coffee. And a surprisingly delicious vegan place.
I was in love